Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where innovation meets the open road. And today, Suzuki just dropped a surprise that's got the off-road and dual sport worlds buzzing. Meet the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a bold new chapter in the RM-Z story, and yes, it's as wild as it sounds. Design. Let's kick it off with the design. The RM-Z 1050 brings a rugged, aggressive look that instantly sets it apart. Suzuki has taken inspiration from its motocross DNA and blended it with ADV-ready muscle. A taller stance, wider bars, reinforced subframe, and integrated LED lighting make it clear, this bike means business on dirt and pavement. Performance. Under the tank, you've got a brand new 1050 cubic centimeters parallel twin, tuned for low-end torque and off-road punch. It's lightweight, responsive, and surprisingly smooth for a big-bore dual sport. Whether you're tearing up trails or cruising highways, the power delivery feels strong and controllable. Suspension travel is generous, and Suzuki's reworked chassis keeps the ride balanced even when the terrain doesn't. Features and technology. Tech-wise, Suzuki packed the RM-Z 1050 with smart features, selectable ride modes, off-road ABS, traction control, and a crisp TFT display that stays visible even in direct sun. There's also integrated GPS navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a rally-style dash layout that feels premium and purposeful. And yes, it's still got a traditional feel, with just the right amount of tech to help, not overwhelm. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is a fresh take on the big dual sport formula, rugged, powerful, and built to go wherever the ride takes you. Whether you're crossing deserts or just bombing through backroads, this bike brings serious versatility with Suzuki's classic reliability. If you liked this review, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on the RM-Z 1050, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the latest rides and gear. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.